Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Click the subscribe button and help me to make more videos. This week, I'm going to be doing sweet potato pudding. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble a pot. So first I'm going to peel my sweet potato. So I have a piece of yellow yam that I'm going to add as well. Now this yellow yam will give it some more body, right? So what I'm going to do now is wash these off, right? Right, now what I'm going to do, cut the sweet potato in two. So I'm going to grate up the sweet potato. Sweet potato is finished grating, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients, right? So here I have some baking flour, right? Going to add 2 cups. Going to add about 6 cups of baking flour. Go ahead and measure out 2 cups first. So we're adding all the dry ingredients together first. So that is 2 cups. I'm going to add some baking powder. This is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, right? Baking powder. Two tablespoons. We have our Island Spice, mixed spice, not sponsored by Island Spice. So we add 2 tablespoons of mixed spice. Our salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have our coconut milk powder by Grace, not sponsored by Grace. Add this to the mix as well. We're going to mix this up, all the dry ingredients together. Alright, so put this aside. Add my vanilla. tablespoons of vanilla. Add 2 cups of brown sugar. Now my butter, I'm going to add about 4 grams of butter. Right, so I'm going to add this mixture. Add the wet ingredient to this mixture. I'm going to combine everything together. I'm going to add 2 cups of water to this mixture. I'm going to add some raisin. Preheat the oven at 145 degrees, right, for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to be baking in this. I'm going to be baking in this Dutch pot, right? So I'm going to use some butter to grease the pot so that the pudding don't stick. Alright, so rub this up. Yes, cooking can be a very messy job. At times it can get very messy, very greasy. Pour the mixture. One big pudding. So I will put it in the oven. I'm going to test it. It's ready. It's finished. So I'm just going to let it cool, put it back in the oven and let it cool. Pudding is still hot. Right, but can't wait on it to cool because we need to finish this video. hot, right? But I need to get this video completed, so I have to cut it while it's hot, right? And it's kind of difficult to cut when it's hot. Best serve cold. Yes guys, so sweet potato pudding is finished, right? Now still hot, right? Because it's getting late and I need to finish this video, so I have to cut it while it's still hot, right? And I'm going to do the review while it's hot, right? So here it is, a nice slice. You can see the steam coming out of it, right? I'm going to taste it, smelling nice and yummy. Going to taste it and see what it is like. Yes, very delicious, right? Can taste the spice. It's not too sweet, just right, not too fresh, not too sweet, right? Not the average sweet potato pudding that you are used to, cause I didn't want to make this pudding too sweet, right? So it's just right. Yes. So subscribe, help me to make more videos like this. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about my sweet potato pudding. Right? Boom!